Students, here your math teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today I'll take chapter 14 from standard 10. It's statistics. Students, in statistics, in standard 10 we'll be dealing with measures of center tendency. और measure of center tendency में will come across three concepts: mean, median and mode. जो स्टैंडर्ड 10 में हमने पढ़ने हैं स्टैटिस्टिक्स के कंसेप्ट मीन, मीडियन एंड मॉड, एंड वन इज ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दैट आई विल डिस्कस विद यू लेटर ऑन. If I talk about mean, we'll be finding mean by three ways. One is direct method, second is assumed mean method, and third is step deviation method. Mean की बात करूं, I'll be finding mean by applying three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method, and median and mode by single way only. So in this lecture, I'll be discussing with you regarding mean only, how to find mean by these three methods. So if I talk about these three methods, there are three different formulas for finding the mean by these: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation. Students, I have written the formulas. Let's go through the formulas first, and then we'll be taking this question which I have written. If I find mean by direct method, the formula is summation fi xi over fi. If I find by assumed mean method, it is a plus summation fi di over summation fi. If I apply step deviation, it is a plus fi ui over fi multiplied by h. So these are the three methods which we will be discussing today to find the mean. So I have written the question. Let's discuss all the three methods for the same question. As far as this direct method is concerned, students, first of all you need fi into xi, sum of fi xi. Here fi is the number of workers. जहां पे आपको वो number given होगा वो fi आएगा, because the other interval given will be intervals. That means we need to generate these xi's. xi हमको generate करने हैं. xi is the class mark of an interval. Class mark of an interval means how to find it? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. For every interval we will apply this 100 plus 120, 220 divided by 2, it will give you 110. Then 120 plus 140, 260 divided by 2, 130. Then 150. जो इनका क्लास साइज होगा, if it is same, हर एक में 20 है, keep on adding 110, 130, 150, 170 and then 190. These are the xi's. I hope it's clear to you how to find xi. Now the next column, fi into xi. Let's find fi into xi. fi into xi multiply करते हैं. 12 into 110, 1 3 2 0. 14 into 130, 1 8 2 0. 8 into 150, it is 1200. 6 into 170, it is 1020. 10 into 190, it is 1900. Students, I hope आपको समझ लगी कि हमने कैसे किया है fi और xi को मल्टीप्लाई किया. Now add. We need the summation fi xi means इनका sum and summation fi means इसका sum. तो यहाँ पर लिख लेते हैं टोटल और ऐड करते हैं. summation fi इनको ऐड करेंगे 50, इनको ऐड करेंगे. If I add these, you will get 7260. So I hope it's clear to you. This is summation fi xi. This is summation fi. वैल्यू पुट करते हैं summation fi xi की 7260 डिवाइड बाय 50. 50 से डिवाइड करते हैं, ये कटिंग हो जाएगी और यहाँ पे आपके पास आ जाएगा 145.2. I hope students it's clear to you how to find mean by direct method. It is summation fi xi over summation fi. fi xi को ऐड किया और fi से डिवाइड कर दिया. This is the mean by direct method. Now the assumed mean method. If we need to apply assumed mean method, सबसे पहले we need to have this a. A क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? A is assumed mean. You can assume mean out of any out of these x's. किसी एक को भी 110, 130, 150, 170, 190 किसी को भी ले लें. But for making the easy calculation, try to assume it at the center. जो middle में आ जाए वो ले लो. So I am taking it as 150. Now this di. How to find di? Di is xi minus a. That means you need to subtract this a from all of these xi's. इस सब में से 150 माइनस होगा. So इसको लिखने का इजी मेथड क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? जहां पे पहले यहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं. 150 माइनस 150 0. 130 माइनस 150 माइनस 20. 110 माइनस 150 माइनस 40. Now downwards. 170 minus 150 20. 190 minus 150 40. Now just see, you are observing a pattern. It is 0 minus 20 minus 40. अगर ऊपर होता तो minus 60. Then downward 20 40 60 ऐसे चल रहे थे. Now just see, what is the class size? 20. जो class size होगा if it is same वही आएगा यहाँ पे, ऊपर की ओर माइनस में और नीचे की ओर प्लस में. I hope it's clear to you how to find di. Now let's generate the next column. The next column, I hope you must be knowing, it is fi into di. Fi into di. That means we need to multiply these two. 12 into minus 40 minus 480. 14 into 20 minus 280. 8 multiplied by 0 0. 6 into 20 120. 10 into 40 it is 400. Now add these. Minus 480 minus 280 minus 760. 120 and 400 it is 520. I hope you are following it. Minus 760 plus 520 it is minus 240. This is summation fi di. अब यहां पे वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. What is a? 150 plus summation fi di minus 240 over summation fi 50. 0 cancels. It is 150 plus minus minus 24 divided by 5 4.8. अगर इनको माइनस करूं तो 145.2. So you can see the mean comes to be same 145.2 145.2 by two methods, that is direct method and assumed mean method. Now our last method, step deviation method. Students, now again be careful, we need to apply step deviation method. मैं इसको erase कर देता हूं यहां से, so that we can apply the last method for finding the mean. Now see, for step deviation method we need a, जो already हमने लिया है. Now we need ui and h. This h is class size students, which is 20. That means we need to have ui. तो ui generate करते हैं. Last method में हमने di generate किया, अब हम generate करेंगे ui. Formula for ui is xi minus a over h, where h is 20. That means हर एक xi में से a माइनस होगा और 20 उसको डिवाइड करेगा. Again I'll start from here only. 150 minus 150 0. 0 divided by 20 0. Then 130 minus 150 divided by 20. ये आएगा minus 20 divided by 20 minus 1. और यहाँ पे आएगा minus 2. यहाँ पे 170 minus 150 20 divided by 20 1. और यहाँ पे आएगा 2. So students, one thing I would like to tell you about this step deviation method. Here, if these intervals are same, you need not to go with apply or do any calculation for this column, especially ui. जहां पे आपने a लिया है उसके सामने 0 लिख दें, ऊपर की ओर -1 -2 -3 चलते जाएं और नीचे की ओर प्लस. I hope it's clear. यहाँ पे 0 लिख दें, यहाँ पे a है, ऊपर की ओर -1 -2 -3 और नीचे की ओर 1 2 3 लिखना है। Now the last column which will be generating is, I hope you must be knowing the column which we need to have fi ui. Fi ui means we'll multiply these two. 12 into -2 -24, 14 into 1 -14, 8 into 0 0, 6 into 1 6, and 10 into 2 20. If you solve these, it is -38 and this is 26. That means -38 plus 26 will give you -12. I hope it's clear to you. अब इसकी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं यहाँ पे, a 150 प्लस fi ui -12 over fi 50 multiply by h which is 20. Now 0 and 0 cancel. 150 plus minus 12 multiplied by 2 24, and 24 divided by 5 4.8, and which gives 145.2. So you can see that here also the mean comes to be 145.2. It means whatever the method we apply, either direct method, assumed mean method, or step deviation method, the answer will remain same for the question. So I hope students it's clear to you how to find mean by applying 3 different ways: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. In our next questions, we'll be taking more questions regarding this. Till then, thank you very much.